What's the meaning of clockwise? Clockwise. Clockwise.
Clockwise. Clockwise. Clockwise is a term used to describe the direction in which the hands of a clock move. It refers to a circular movement that follows the same direction as the hands on a clock, which is from the top to the right, then down, and finally back to the starting point at the top. This is the direction of rotation in which an object turns or moves in a circular motion, just like the way we tighten a screw or unscrew a jar lid. The term is commonly used in navigation, engineering, and mathematics to indicate a specific direction of rotation.